I was diagnosed with arthritis of the hip and probable underlying avascular necrosis. I've been in pain for years. I fell down a ladder about 7 years ago, which started a lot of this stuff happening. And I basically was in pain 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I hardly ever slept because I'd wake up about every hour or so because every time I turned or anything like that, I'd shriek in pain and just roll over and wake myself up. I'm only 1 month into this, and my pain levels have gone down to about a 2. I was able to rake my yard a couple weeks ago, and I'm not taking any drugs at all, no drugs. I'm just thrilled with this, it's changed my mind. From either lack of sleep or just the constant pain, but I was really having a difficult time thinking. I was always really tired. And now I'm able to think really clearly, and I just have never felt this good in years. I'm trying to remember the date when I used to feel this good. So I'm thrilled with the results I've had.